The Department of Justice prosecutors have recommended the filing of large-scale illegal recruitment charges against Maria Cristina Sergio and her live-in partner, Nilao. The two are allegedly the recruiters of Mary Jane Veloso, a Filipina death row convict in Indonesia on an illegal drugs offense. Veloso was given a reprieve from execution by firing squad following an appeal from the Philippine government. The DOJ recommended against Sergio and Lacanilao followed the alleged confession of the two that they were members of a notorious international drug syndicate operating in Southeast Asia. But lawyers for the two denied having made such any confession. Meanwhile, Justice Secretary Leila De Lima said they would determine if Mary Jane Veloso is indeed a victim of. For her part, DSWD Secretary Dinky Soliman said Veloso's children will continue to be beneficiaries of the government's 4Ps program.
Diyan sa kaso na kung saan makakatulong si Mary Jane dahil siya nga ang makakapag-testify based on her personal knowledge. Na kung talagang ma-validate yan, then may malaking pag-asa siguro na pakiusapan uli ang Indonesian authorities, particularly si President Widodo, na i-consider executive clemency or any form of executive clemency na maka siya sa death penalty, no, but without changing the judgment, kasi hindi naman natin yung pwedeng pakialaman dahil batas nila yan.
Hindi namin kaagad nalaman sapagkat nung tiningnan namin yung aming roster, syempre ang hinanap namin Veloso. Yung pala, sila ay nakarehistro sa ilalim ng pangalan ng nanay ni Michael. At ang nag-aalaga sa kanila ay yung nanay ni Michael. So, Candelaria ang kanilang apelyido. At sila po ay nasa ilalim ng Pantawid magmula noong 2012 at tuloy-tuloy po yon. Meron din kaming pakikipag-usap ngayon sa pamilya ni Candelaria kung ano ang maitutulong pa sa usapin ng livelihood at kinakausap din at pinupuntahan ang pamilya Veloso.